This is the Hoosier Writing Project digital workshop for Google Drive, formerly known as Google Docs, at www.google.com. What is Google Docs? Google Docs contain free online word processing, presentation, and form building tools with free storage. Cloud storage means that you can access your documents from anywhere, from any computer. Google Docs also lets you collaborate to work on projects together in real time. And so different people can all be adding input to a document or a presentation at the same time. Google Drive is an amazing resource, and we can't possibly go into all of the tools, but for this presentation, we'll focus on word processing and the presentation tool. And if you need an example, you're looking at a Google Doc right now. So what can you do with Google Docs or Google Drive? You can create online documents, presentations, and forms. You can collaborate on these online documents and presentations, which means that different people can be adding their input in real time, and you can see other people's changes. It saves all of the forms or all of the changes that have been made, and so you can see who have made what changes. And you can also store files in the cloud for easy access anywhere. What kind of media can be used? Well, for your word processing, you can create documents, forms, presentations. You can use anything that you could use in Microsoft Word. You can do in, well, almost anything you can do in Google Drive. You can add videos, images, maps, graphs, charts, and hyperlinks. And you can also upload Word documents or PowerPoint presentations that you've already made. So you don't need to completely remake your resources. You can upload things that you have already made in either Word or PowerPoint to Google Drive, and then you'll have access to those files from anywhere. So no more flash drives. You can access everything from the web. How do you communicate? I made a little video that's playing right now. You go to your share settings. You can click this, email, Google. Your share settings can make your options available for anyone who has the link. You can make them public so that they're searchable. On the web, there's no sign-in. Anybody can get on it. Or you can make it private, and that means that only people that you give access to or you give permission to can get on. So your access, you can have anybody can edit, anybody can comment, or anybody can view. And that's how you communicate via your Google Docs. So technology is a tool, matters how we use it. What can we have students do with Google Docs or Google Drive? Students can share and edit documents or presentations. They can collaborate to create documents or presentations. They can work together. They can build things. They can do collaborative writing projects or collaborative presentations. They can share their documents or presentations for editing, or they can share it to do something like this workshop where they share it and send the URL out to a bunch of people. Students can access documents from one place in the cloud. I know that sometimes when students bring in flash drives, their data doesn't work because they have a different type of computer at home or it's formatted differently. There's no issue with that flash drives if you have everything stored in the cloud. So what's in the cloud is in the cloud, and you can access it from any computer. So no more flash drives, and no more, oh no, I forgot my flash drive. Yeah, your stuff's in the cloud. Students can upload documents for sharing, so they can upload things that they have already done and share them that way. Or they can work directly from Google Drive to create documents. So if kids say, I don't have Word at home, that's okay. They can use Google Drive's word processing software. Students can also take online quizzes or surveys with the forms. Google Forms, we're not going to get into it, but there's a lot of different things you can do with that also. And students can access private workshops or other tools that teachers have created for them. You can make something like this workshop for students so that they can access it from anywhere. And then you can send it directly to them or add them as a viewable collaborator. Here's some of the benefits of Google Docs. Online document storage means that you can access your documents from anywhere. So you do not have to worry about bringing in a laptop from home to school with all of your documents on it. You just upload it to Google Docs or Google Drive, and then you have access to all of it. You have no flash drive issues, like I talked about before, and formatting. Google Docs is collaborative, so you can share different documents that you've made. It's easy to use. Once you get into it, it's very, very simple. It saves automatically, so every change you make saves, which is nice. Sometimes students forget to save things, and then they wonder where it went. Google Docs saves it for them. Earlier edits are available, and so if you go to the Save feature, you can click it, and it will show you all of the different saves that it's made. So if you want to go back to an earlier form of the document, you can do that. Google Docs keeps track of who made what changes. So if you're in a collaborative situation where everybody is working on something all at once, Google Docs will actually keep track of who made what changes. The word processing, presentation, and form creation software is free, and it's online. So that means it's accessible anywhere. And then there's also an app for Android, iPhone, and iPad, so that students who don't have computers at home can work from their cell phones. So here are 3 ways, and 3 of many, many, many ways, to use Google Docs for your class. You can use it for peer editing, you can use it for brainstorming, and you can use it to create online workshops like this one.